Hi there, welcome back to session 4.1 Learn Excel from Karpagam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use concatenate function in Excel. When we talk about concatenate, it is one of the most powerful function in Excel next to vlookup. Because of one simple reason, it can combine any number of numbers or a text and it can give you the result as a combined number or a combined text. Say for example, this one I have done it manually. Just imagine a situation wherein you have to enter all these details manually. It takes ages. But whereas concatenate function can make our job really simple, pass the function concatenate. Where is the text lies here, comma. If you do not want any other space or hyphen or any other character in between, straight away you can go and choose the next number. But whereas in this case scenario, I want a hyphen symbol here. So I'm passing the hyphen within double quotes, comma. Then I'm choosing the next number. You can note it's all numbers are considered as a text here. That is the speciality of a concatenate. Close the bracket, hit enter. You can see the number is combined. Just go up here and place your mouse, double click at the pointer. For every other number, the number is joined. The code is already added here. Let's concatenate the text also. Pass the function concatenate, choose the text one. And I'm going to show you what happens in this case scenario if we do not pass any other character. When I hit enter, you can see there will not be any space between Peter and Sam. This is what will happen. In the second case scenario, let's use a certain character in terms of a backward slash, forward slash, comma, single quotes, double quotes. Pass the function, choose the text, comma. I'm passing the second text as, let's say, space, comma, within double quotes, comma, choose the third text. Close the bracket, hit enter. You can see Kirti, comma, Suresh. Third case scenario, I'm using the same concatenate. Pass the first text, comma. What is the second text I want here? Let's say in this case I just want to fix a match between two individuals here. So use a space between starting and end of it, comma. Pass the third text, hit enter. Peter versus Cyrus. We just need a space. Pass the function, choose the first text. Within double quotes, we need a space, that's it, comma, choose the next text, close the bracket, hit enter. Pallavi Kumar, you have got it. Let's say I want to write ampersand symbol, choose the first text, comma, within double quotes, ampersand symbol, double quotes, comma, choose the next function, close the bracket, hit enter. You can see Sam and Walton has come in, and you just go here, double click at the pointer, all the names ampersand symbol is added here. Let us take the third case. And I'm going to combine the text and date together here. Use the concatenate function. Where is the text one? Text one is in A6, comma. What is the second test I want to do? I just want to say this particular person joined company on within double quotes, comma. What is the next text? It is the date. Straight away we cannot pass on the date. This is where I use a function called as a text. The text function can convert any value to a text, open bracket. Where is the value? Value is in B6, comma. What is the format I want to do? The format is in DD, MM, YY, YY. Double quotes, close the bracket, comma. So you can see Sam Peter joined the company on a particular date within double quotes, in double quotes, comma, sales department. This is what we want to do. Close the bracket. We have got the perfect one. Just go to the pointer, double click at it. You have got for every other criteria. I hope the video was interesting and informative. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more such videos.